has fewer homes listed for sale, and these are selling at list price. It's Friday, January 27th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. And you'll probably notice I have a little bit of a froggy voice because I am still recuperating from being sick. So bear with me while I get through this. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. While prices are not dropping, sellers continue to enjoy a favorable position between the limited inventory and recent interest rates improvements, rates as low as last November 2022. Inventory for sale fell again this past week to only 97. 52 new listings hit the market since my last report. 62 homes are coming on the market. 68 went under contract. 86 moved to pending. And 77 sold in 19 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell this past week was a waterfront in Atlantis for $1,175,000. Rental inventory rose slightly to 31 homes for lease, down to $3,200 per month, but days on the market fell to 31 days before lease. Is there a move in your 2023 plans? I can help, so let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 27, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.